A question 1. On 16 April 2016, I now deposit 7,500 into a savings account at 6%, compounded every 2 months. Find the accumulated on 16 October 2018 if the rate was changed to 8% compounded quarterly beginning 16 April 2018. So we need to find the accumulated on 16 October 2019, but the rate was changed to 8% beginning 16 April 2018. First, we need to find accumulated on the first 2 years because 16 April 2019 to 16 April 2018 was 2 years. So we need to use formula S equal P 1 plus K over MT. Next, the P is 7,500, the K is 6%, M is 6, and T is 2. So we will get the answer, which is 8,451. 1877266. We must take all of the amount because it is not the final answer. After that, we need to find accumulated for the rest of the year. First, for P, we need to use previous answer that we just calculate. The K is 8%, M is off because quarterly, and the T is 1.5. So the final answer is 9,517.41 cents.
Moving on, question 2. Mr. Daniel, a financial analyst at Vertex Tech Enterprise, plans to invest 58,000 ringgit of his company profit. He has two options: Alpha Bank, which offers 4.35% interest compounded every 4 months, and Omega Bank, which offers 4.50% interest compounded monthly. A. Which bank should Mr. Daniel invest in for 3 years? Justify your answer. First step, pull out the information that given in the question earlier to make things easier for solving later. Don't forget to write down the compound interest formula before you calculate it. After that, we can see Alpha Bank accumulated value is 66,023 ringgit 18 cents. Meanwhile, the Omega Bank accumulated value is 66,366 ringgit 37 cents. Next step is to compare the interest between Alpha Bank and Omega Bank using formula I equals to S minus P. And the interest that Alpha Bank give is 8,023 ringgit 18 cents, and the interest that Omega give is 8,366 ringgit 37 cents. Mr. Daniel should invest in Omega Bank because it gives higher interest, which is 343 ringgit 19 cents more than Alpha Bank. B. If Mr. Daniel withdraws 15,000 ringgit after the 4 years from the bank you recommended in A, and the rate remains the same until the end of 6 years, find the amount left in the account. First, we need to know the amount before he withdraws after 4 years of invest using the same formula and solve it. We get 79,428 ringgit 26 cents. Reminder, the principal is used from the previous answer. After that, the value that we calculate earlier is going to minus with 15,000 that Mr. Daniel withdraws, and the total is going to be 64,428 ringgit 26 cents. Lastly, the amount that we got is going to be the principal to solve the remaining 2 years of invest. Using the same formula, the amount left in the account is 70,483 ringgit 88 cents.
Part B, question 1. A local university is planning to launch a scholarship initiative to support high-achieving students for the next 10 years. To ensure the sustainability of this program, the university plans to deposit a sum of money into an investment fund that will finance the scholarship payouts. The funds will earn interest at 3.8% per annum, compounded half-yearly. A. How much money is required for the university to deposit now, so that the money can provide scholarship payments of 5,500 ringgit every 6 months for the next 10 years? Calculate the final amount, S. So the S will be our derivatives. K over M is 0.038 over 12, and R will be 5,500 ringgit. So we plug in into the equations as the answer will be 90,806 ringgit 83 cents. B. The bursary department of the university, however, prefers to accumulate the required amount in A gradually. They plan to build the scholarship fund over the next 4 years by making equal monthly deposits. If the investment account earns 2.5 ringgit per annum, compounded monthly, how much money must be deposited at the end of each month to reach the required amount? Calculate the deposit amount at the end of months are. So S will be 90,806 ringgit 83 cents. K over M is 0.025 over 12 and R will be our variables. We plug into the equations and the final answer will be 1,800 ringgit and 76 every month.
So now we will calculate the loan amount, which is A. We know down payment is 30% of 29,550. So 0.30 times 29,550 equal to 8,865, which is A equal to 29,550 minus 8,865, which is the loan amount is 20,685. And now we can calculate the monthly installment, which is R. So we will use the present value of an annuity formula and the areas to find R. So we will use the formula A equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M cos bracket the power minus MT divided by K over M cos bracket. So we will just put the amount into this formula. So 20,685 equal to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.067 over 12 cos bracket the power minus 12 times 5 divided by 0.067 over 12 cos bracket. So the answer will be 406.67. Now we can calculate the total interest, which is I. So for the total interest we will use the formula I equal to NR minus A. I equal to 12 times 5 times 406.67 minus 20,685. So the answer will be
3715.20.
Question B. After several months of inconsistent tenor and Mr. decided to make payments. He then received a notice from the bank stating that the total outstanding arrears of 2,894.82 include the accrued interest. How many monthly payments has he missed? So the arrears amount of 2,894.82 is the future value of the missed monthly installment, including the accumulated value. So first, we will identify variables. S is 2,894.82, R is 406.67, K over M is 0.067 over 12. So what we want to know is the number of missed payment, which is N. So the formula is S equal to R in bracket 1 plus K over M the power N cos bracket minus 1 divided by K over M cos bracket. So we just put the amount into this formula, which is 2,894.82 equal to 406.67 in bracket 1 plus 0.067 over 12 cos the bracket the power N minus 1 divided by 0.067 over 12 cos bracket. And then we bring the R amount into the front, which is 2,894.82 divided by 406.67. And then we change the amount in the bracket into the decimal amount, which is 7.11835149 equal to in bracket 1.005583333 cos bracket the power N minus 1 divided by 0.005583333 close bracket. So 7.11835149 will be multiplied by 0.00558333333. So the answer will be 0.039744129115. And then the minus 1 at behind, we will bring it into the front, so it will be plus 1. For this case, we will want to find M, so we will take the natural logarithm, which is ln on both sides to solve for M. It will be ln in bracket 1.03974412915 close bracket equal to n times ln in bracket 1.005583333 close bracket. So our answer will be 0.03897465308 equal to n times 0.00556780397. So n equal to 7.000004539, which is 7 payments. So the number of monthly payments Mr. Adi has missed is 7 payments.